Hello. All right, well, this is for another project update. This is week 7's assignment for the content management system. I don't even know what it's called. Anyway, yeah, the good old CMS, whatever that is thing. Yeah. Anyway, all right, so this project is basically we're changing event emitters into subjects and subscriptions with Angular. And that being said, it's basically going to just be the exact same functionality. So we're going to get that going. Basically, all I really changed was, if we look at the contact service, I think is one. We added a bunch of methods like getMax ID, and we changed, we used the next instead of emit methods. I mean, you do this in the contact service and then also in the document service. And I mean, it's basically just adding more methods, more crude methods, and yeah, just does the normal stuff. So that being said, which one is it? Here it is. Okay. I added more things because I do not like having to show just the same functionality, but I can if I want to. Let's go and do that. So we click it, and something else I noticed is I did not add the new route for this button. If I click it, I now have a new. So it brings me to the document edit component, which I would assume, based off my to-do list here that I made, if I added a new document form, it's going to basically be the exact same as the edit form, just auto-filled. So that'd be my guess. Let's see. As we can see, we can just, click that. We do it here, brings it to new. If we did the view, it still brings up that functionality. So nothing really changed there. Deleting will do the same thing. Let's see, that still does what it's supposed to. Just clicking all those links. Oh, what else? Messages looks pretty much the same. This text box I made. Oh, geez. I made it in no resize, so that way it did, you can't actually resize it because I didn't want to. I didn't want to do that. Whereas it still does, all it needs to do. Just boop boop boop. Contacts looks about the same for the most part, Yeah, edit still does the same thing. New contact, there's another new method there. It brings up the same thing. If I were to go back to contacts, do new, you'd see it shows that up. If I were to click one of these, same kind of thing. Delete still works. Should be no errors, of course. So, yeah. Coolio. So, yeah, basically other than that, I mean, all I did was add a to-do list for me to go off of. The bright screen of death still does it. Didn't want to warn you guys. Yeah, let's see. I'm actually going to clear that out of my location memory real quick. Oh, how this works is if I select a checkbox, it'll actually go through each of the things and strike it out if it needs to. As you can see it popping up over here. So there's that, and then I click it out, it removes it from the list. And then if I were to go to some page or refresh the whole thing, it'll save it within local storage, so it'd be easy to access. Let's see. And how that works is I go through a JSON file called checklist. And in this file, I can add, if I need to ever add any more, I just do that. Yeah. I add little tags like, because I create my strike through labels based off of the tag and the label in the JSON file. So, and then descriptions are there, and if there's any details, add it there. What I want to do later on is add an actual to-do list, bunch of data in a database, probably with Mongo actually. A NoSQL database. Should be pretty similar. to the structure. Just get me set up, and this is gone through inside of toggle checklist.js. So this is the wonderful thing. You got to do this, and in order to be able to use something like this, and this line right here, I had to do, let's see, we go to app component, no, well, yeah, component.ts, yep. I had to add this little doohickey of a line. I hate it. Oh, that was a lot of debugging just for that one simple thing. Love it. Yeah, good stuff. So, yep, having fun. Yeah, hopefully you guys didn't get blinded. And bye.